Hey, welcome to Good Enough Spanish, the channel where you learn Spanish good enough to travel more, build more confidence, and get more out of life. Now, in this lesson, we're going over Spanish words that start with A that you already know. Yep, you heard that right. Spanish words that start with A that you already know. So without further ado, let's get down to it. Learning Spanish can feel intimidating at first. You know, new words, new grammar, new sounds. It's a lot. But here's a secret. You know some Spanish words already. You already know. And they start with the letter A in this lesson. These are called perfect cognates. And these are words that share the same spelling and meaning in English as they do in Spanish. Maybe just with the difference of an accent mark. Now, when you see these words in Spanish, your brain will say, hey, I know that. So let's go over some perfect cognates right now. For example, actor in English, actor in Spanish. So just like in English, actor in Spanish means the same thing. Someone who acts in movies, TV, or theater. Recognizable immediately. Example sentence, el actor principal ganó un premio. The lead actor won an award. Hey, let's give him a round of applause. All right. Another one is animal. Animal in English, animal in Spanish. How cool is that? Animal is exactly the same in English and Spanish. Easy to remember. Easy peasy. Example sentence, el perro es un animal. A dog is an animal. Woof! Ain't nothing but the dog in me. Woof! All right. Let's keep it going and have some fun at the same time. Ain't nothing wrong with that, right? All right. Next, we have agenda. Okay. Agenda in Spanish, agenda. So, agenda. See? May sound a little different, but it's the same. In Spanish, agenda refers to a planner or schedule, just like in English. So, escribí la reunión a mi agenda. I wrote the meaning in my planner. Then we have alcohol. Alcohol in English, alcohol in Spanish. And alcohol is the same in both languages. It's perfect for bars, pharmacies, or everyday conversation. Compré alcohol para la fiesta. I bought alcohol for the party. Hey, you can't just have punch. You gotta spike it with something. All right, let's keep it moving. Next, we have album. Album in English, album in Spanish. Album. Almost identical. The only difference is that accent mark change over that A. Now, this refers to music, albums, photo albums, or collections. Same thing, same meaning. Mi álbum de fotos es muy bonito. My photo album is very beautiful. A lot of pictures in there. A lot of good memories. Then we have area. Area. Same spelling, minus an accent. Just that tiny accent difference. That's it. Okay. In area is used for spaces, regions. So same meaning in English and Spanish. Esta área del parque es muy grande. This area of the park is very big. Then we have artificial. That's artificial in English. Artificial in Spanish. Artificial, artificial. Artificial, artificial. Sounds so smooth in Spanish. It sounds all right in English, but I gotta admit it sounds smooth in Spanish. So artificial is identical in English and Spanish. So use it for anything from intelligence to flowers. So example sentence for that would be, La inteligencia artificial está avanzando rápido. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly. So we all need to watch out because we don't know what's coming. Next, avatar. Like avatar. Spanish, avatar. Avatar, avatar. Now, avatar, same in both languages. From gaming to online profiles. Mi avatar en el juego es azul. My avatar in the game is blue. So make sure you look out for me. Now, before we wrap it up, I want to leave you with 2 bonus words. They're almost identical to English. Maybe in addition to just an accent mark change, maybe they changed by a letter or 2. So they're still recognizable. Okay? Now, example of these are adrenaline, adrenalina. Adrenaline, adrenalina. Adrenaline, that rush. La adrenalina me hace sentir vivo. Adrenaline makes me feel alive. Woo! All right. And the other bonus word is adulto. Adult, adulto. Adult, adulto. Just that one extra letter at the end, but it's instantly recognizable. Soy un adulto. I'm an adult. So that's why you should listen to me, because I know what I'm talking about. All adults know what they're talking about. Right. So, hey, there are perfect cognates everywhere. See how many words you already know? And of course, we both know that all Spanish words won't be this easy, but there are a lot of cognates that the 2 languages do share. Because always remember, English and Spanish both share Latin roots, so they're cut from the same cloth. That's the magic of cognates. Words that look the same as English and Spanish and share the same meaning. How cool is that? Starting with these familiar words gives you a confidence boost. I know it did for me. Learning Spanish doesn't have to start from zero. Doesn't have to start from zero. So next time you see Spanish text, think about what Rich B said. Look at that word and think about, do I already know there? Is it in there somewhere? And that may be the start of your beginning. Now, hey, don't forget, in the description below, there is the free PDF, the free cheat sheet to this lesson. So be sure to download it so you can access this lesson online or off. And as always, remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just be good enough.